Hello. In this video I'm going to start refactoring the Loki compiler, and we start by refactoring the lexer, which is the first part of the compiler. So if you take a close look at our lexer, we see so these are all the token types we can parse, and I really want to get rid of all these. But for now, we're gonna let them be. I also want to remove these as well. But these are all specific C things that we actually shouldn't have in the compiler. So each token has a type, has a location, line, and a column. And this is the actual part that I want to remove, which is the state enum that is stored in the tokenizer. I want to remove this because we really don't need this to be here. Maybe I need to make this a bit bigger. Let me actually try to full screen this, and also let's full screen Firefox. So yes, cool. Let's also have the terminal full screen as well, so I'm sure to make sure that we have everything I have needed. Okay. And the reason is I can handle this. I added this pick cursor recently, and it's not being used yet. If I take references, you see there is no reference other than the definition and the initialization of the tokenizer here. So this is why I want to change this. There are also a lot of bugs regarding the line and the column that I want to also fix. How we make sure our fix is okay? If I come down, I have a lot of tests, so around half of this file is just tests that we test different tokens and different things about the lexer. So let's start. And I want to start with this. This is okay, I like this, but I don't think that wherever I want to create a new token in the lexer, I need to pass the line and the column, because actually this is in the state of the tokenizer itself, so it's in the struct. So if I have a function called new token that takes in a token type, so a token first of all it needs the self. It needs the self, which is, and a token type, and a location, which is a source location. And this returns a token for me. So let's return a token. So the type would be T, location is location, and the line and column would be self line and self column. So this now in every place that I use and I do token new, I need to replace that with the thing I've created. So let's do that. So if I do self.new token, I don't need these. Self new token, self new token. Doing this will make our system a bit simpler, but the actual simplification comes when we basically get rid of the state thing. Actually, I'm curious, do we really need to change everything? Because I'm gonna get rid of so many parts of this code. I don't know. Okay, let's do this. Yes, let's do this. So let's do this. Let's create a new file. So source, I call this new lexer.rs. And I need to include it in my main file. And I'm gonna get some of these there because I want these. So I want a tokenizer. I want the token and token types and all of these. Yeah, cool. And I don't have any state anymore. I think we can ignore the reached EOF as well, but I don't know for now. And I need this one and this one and these. And I want the tests as well, so let's close this one. Let's go here and kill this. And I want all the tests. How can I select until the end of the file? End of file, end of buffer. Yes, cool. So this is all I have. So let's kill this, zoom a bit out. Okay, so these are all tests, but this is the implementation. So now if I do public function next, which emits a token for me, do we have an EOF token? We don't need this, really. To be honest, we don't need this, and we should make this optional. Make use of the Rust type system. So it's an option. Oh, changing this needs to change all the tests. But okay, this is a good change. I want this. So I don't know why we need the file name, but I'm gonna need some things. So I'm gonna use these two. So the idea is to have the p cursor that goes forward and the cursor stays at the start of each token. So every time I go forward, I do p cursor and increment that. And this is p cursor. Okay. For some weird reason, Emacs has decided to crash on me. Okay, it's back. That was weird. I need to write an editor for myself. So we have the current char, we have the forward char, and I guess that's it. So let's start with the match. So if I do a match on this needs a self. Self dot cursor now. Current char, yeah. this would become, let's say, if we see a open paren. Yes. So if we see an open paren, we just do self.new token and we do sum of self.new token. We pass in the token type. No, I wanted to do this open paren. Yes. And we also need the location. So, do we need location in the self.new token? No, this is enough. This is actually enough information. So we don't need this location as well, because technically this location is nothing but the self.cursor and self.peak cursor. That is basically it. Why there's an error? Okay. Oh, right. Cool. So, this is cool. Nice. So you already see how we can simplify our code. So let's change this to close paren. Change this to open bracket. Oh, close bracket. Oh my god. And this is open brace. And this is close brace. I don't need this for now. And okay, so let's fix the characters as well. So this is brackets and this is brace. Okay, so we have a lot of other symbols as well. So let's bring up the old lexer and take a look at the all the tokens we have at the start state. So we have these, and we have bang. Yes. We have bang, we have less, we have greater, we have numbers, we have single quote, we have ampersand. What else? We have equal, we have hat, we have double colon, double quotation, sorry. We have mathematical ones, plus, minus, star, and slash. We have pipe. We have pipe, we have comma, we have dot, we have colon, we have semicolon, we have white spaces. Okay. And finally, we have sharp, I don't know why we did this, why we have two separate things. And if it wasn't any of these, what we do is identify our keyword. Okay. For now, let's actually ignore that one. So let's say unreachable purpose. So from here we have problems. So this is bang. This is Okay, so this is actually where it gets interesting. So since we are doing okay, what's wrong with Emacs? What's wrong with Emacs? I don't know. I really don't know. If I press Control and return or enter, for some weird reason it crashes. Okay, I don't know. I really don't know. But the thing is that for the stateful ones, we are going to do something like this. So we are going to do a forward char, then we are going to do another match on the current char. So we have already seen a less than operator. We are going forward and we are checking if to see what is the next character. So if the next character is equal, this means that we are having this situation, less equal. Else, or anything other than this, actually we have this operator as well. So this is for double left angle bracket. So if it's nothing, we should actually go back a character, right? So I'm going to need another function, backward char, self peak cursor minus equals 1. So this will back off, of course, and I'm also gonna just return a self.new token. So this would become return self.new token, sum of this, and the new token would be token type left angle. These less equal. No, this is not less equal, double left angle. So this is double left angle bracket. And this is token type less equal. Okay, this looks cool. So this is actually how we handle state. The only thing is that where should I do the forward char? So in here I get back. We shouldn't actually backward the char. This is it. We should just stay there. So the next call to the next function, since we don't have any state, we actually shouldn't do this. Cool. So we should do the same thing, exact same thing, with the less. So, oh my god, how many notifications LinkedIn sends these days? This is so annoying. All notifications are annoying. So this is exactly the same thing, except this is this. This is greater equal, and this is double right angle, and this is right angle bracket. Fix the comments, and cool. So the next one, this is just a single quote. This is just the ampersand. Yes, so this is one of the other stateful ones, because we have double ampersands. We actually maybe have ampersand equal operator for doing the bitwise AND. So we have this. Do we have bitwise? No, we don't have that. Okay. Token types. So we have ampersand, we have ampersand equal. I need this as well. We might have that syntax. So this is it. Ampersand equal. And this is, it's not such state. Yes, there is. Let's go double ampersand. So this is double ampersand. And this is just a single ampersand. Okay. Oh, we need to do the self-forward char in these scenarios. So I was thinking, so what's the difference between these two kinds of emitting tokens? We need to do forward charring here. Okay. I don't know why it's all red. Why are, oh, there is no match here. Self-forward char match self dot current char. And again, so this is the LSP thing. I need to shut it down. For some weird reason, LSP is not working as expected. Let's do iglot shutdown. Okay, we do it old school. So we have this. Okay, seems okay. Seems okay. We have the same scenario for this. So let's get whole thing. So if you see double equals, of course, what we do is double. Oh, we don't get any autocomplete anymore because of I turned off the LSP. Okay, so we have equal, and we have equal. Do we have any other tokens that I want? No, for now. So you see how much it's making the system at, and it's double quote, and it's percent. Oh, and all these mathematical ones need state, because, and actually let's put this beside this, because they're basically the same thing. So this is pipe equal. Do we have that? Pipe equal? I don't know. It's double pipe. And this is just a normal pipe. And for this, okay, this was okay, this was okay, this is okay, okay. I think this is the code. Nice. Okay, let's make this a bit smaller. Yes. I guess the size is good. So we have self-forward char percent equals. So this is percent equal. And this is percent. Cool. So I'm gonna need so this is plus equal, and this is plus. That was the thing. Okay. So, and this is minus equal, and this is minus. Make this fixed. Okay, we have these two. So this is actually turning into some ASMR typing instead of me just talking, because this is actually what was the name of the token? There was small equal, and this is multiply. This is not multiply, this is asterisk. And for final one, there's this. Div equal forward slash. Wasn't there forward slash? Okay, so this is comma, this is dot, this is colon. Oh, this is also stateful because we have double colons, we have equal, double equal, so many versions of this. So let's get this as well. I wonder if we can actually write a macro for this. I don't know, let's just have the repetitive normal code and then we can think about that. So this is colon equal. These are the bare bones of the language. And this is colon. There's also the scenario where we see a colon. I hate macros for doing these things with control. Nothing should be mapped. I think a perfect operating system only maps things to the super key. That's it. Control and Alt are for user. I don't know why they do this. It's just shit. Semicolon, I guess. Oh my god. And this is nothing. We do a forward char in here. And we basically call self.next again. Okay, yeah, it's like this, I hope. And we don't need this. Okay, so we have a lot of tests, right? I'm gonna comment them all because I know these are all going to probably fit. Because we actually didn't handle even numbers. Yes, so actually let's handle numbers. Numbers are not that hard. So let's see. Yes, let's get this pattern in here. We don't have a state. We don't do forward char. So we actually do forward char. We do a match on self.current char. If it's again one of these, no. Yes. So if it's, oh my god, if it's one of these again, what we do is in that loop, right? So should we do a match? Yes. So if it's anything else, we should handle dot as well. So if it's anything else, just break the loop. The number is until the token the character index before the peak cursor. So in these scenarios, what we do is just say self forward char. In this scenario, I define a Boolean thing in here, so is float, which is false by default. And in here we do self over char, like the other one, and we also do is flow if equals true. And in this scenario we break. When we break, so where do I handle the actual thing? Oh my god, what is this? We do emit a token. Okay. Yes. Okay. So if it's an integer, oh, we don't know any. Oh, we don't need anything. Oh, I'm so stupid. So we just return self.new token. I do match on this float if true. What I do is self.new token, passing the token type integer, I guess. Bring me the token types. False is self.new token, token type float. Okay. I guess this handles the numbers. So let's do end of buffer, comment all out, so our tests are commented now. So cool. So actually let's try and build this. Build. Oh my god. We have some missing token types, which is normal. We have type equal missing. Oh, we don't have percent equal, we have mod equal. Mod equal. Okay. These should be some. We're returning an option. Run. Cool. So we can build this, which is nice. So let's run a test. Write a test. So fn lex all symbols. Let's get the boilerplate for the testing. So I expect if I pass in this and a hat and an ampersand, lex all symbols. You know what? Let's not do this. Let's actually try to make it work with our current test. So this should probably work actually. So let's see. Cargo test new lexer. Okay, so it's okay. I guess okay, failed. Okay, index out of bounds. So we reached the end and we didn't handle it. Cool. So I'm gonna do if self.source.len is less than self.cursor plus equals return. Let's just do this. Yeah, let's just do this in here. Return none. Oh. Okay, there is a really bad. I don't know where. Okay, so we are in the numbers thing. We do forward char every time. Oh, let's run this again. No. Okay. Because we don't call this again, this does not get called. This should be here, but we should handle this in here as well. We should handle reaching I'm trying to think of a way that would not make us change many things. I don't know. What can we do about this? I don't think there is any other way for us. We should handle this in here. So there was this EOF, right? Oh my god. Every time we do forward char if self.eof or we can do something that if self.eof will return as char. Okay, can I see this? The output of my function? Can I see it? No. It's an unsigned int, which is wrong. It's a float. Okay, and the location is 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7. Okay. Assertion failed because this is not float. For some weird reason, do we reach here? What's wrong? Saw the dot. Okay, so its float is true. Oh. I'm so idiot. This should now pass. Cool. So we have changed a really key thing about our lexer. So before, our locations were inclusive, but now it's exclusive. I wonder how this changes going forward. So this is almost the same thing. This should also pass. Will not because of this. It is some. Cool. Oh, and suddenly we just go to constant declaration of a character. So we cannot handle these for now. So do we have anything about... No, we don't have any small tests. So let's actually write one. So I want to write a test with symbols. Let's have them all. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put plus minus star /%. I'm gonna do space, which does nothing. I'm gonna do a single quote, space. Actually, I can do a space for each and every one. And I can do ampersand, I can do pipe, I can do double pipe, I can do double equal, I can do less equal, greater equal, bank, pipe equal, ampersand equal, so many things. What else? We can do these. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this, and we have this. So this is a little tricky to handle. So for token, so I've created a tokenizer for each token type in plus token type minus token type asterisk token type forward slash token type percent token type single quote token type backward not backward double quote token type ampersand and token type pipe token type double pipe token type double equal token type less equal creator people.
Do we have? Oh, this is not bang equal. This is pipe equal. Okay.
That was a lot of tokens. So if you have these, I call tokenizer dot next. I get a new token. I expect token is sum. So I do rebind this to roundup version, and in here I insert equal. For now, just the token type with the token that we have from our loop. Get rid of this, run. Double pipe. Here. Okay, we have okay. So expected enum new lexer token type found. Oh, okay. I guess we can do this. Cool. So which one is failed? We expected. We find a single code, but we did expect a double code. So first of all, let's check here, right? Single code, and this is double code. Everything is okay. Single quote and a double quote. Okay. I think I found a bug. A nasty bug. Yes. The thing is, we don't do the forward charting here. So on the next iteration, we are still on the same character. This is the bug. We need to do something about this. Yeah. Let's not get too. Cool. So we actually fixed it. So these are missing. So let's add this. So comma dot. What else? Colon 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 equal. So let's add these. So we have token type comma. We have token type double colon. We have token type colon. We have token type colon equal. This should fail. Yes, because of the same fact. So same thing in here. We still don't handle all the situations. We are basically all our locations are wrong at the moment. We are just getting the type token type correctly. Okay, so it said I got that. I expected double colon. Where's the colon? Okay. So if I get a colon. Yes. Did we reach here? No, we don't. So we really don't reach here at all. So when we reach the dot, we go forward a char, we emit the token, type dot, yes. For some weird reason we handle comma correctly. We reach the dot, and we don't handle that correctly. So we do sort forward char, sum of self new token type dot. So we don't reach here at all. I wonder why. Oh my god. Test case as well. Cool. Cool. So I want to do another command. So the parallel font. You didn't, dude. Okay. So we have a simple lexer that, oh, it's around 1 hour. I thought I can finish it in 1 hour, so, but, and it's midnight, so I should probably call it for this video, and we continue with the refactoring of the lexer in this next video. But I think we actually simplified it a lot. I think the lexer is now much more understandable because the flow of the code is really more straight. Yeah, and the only thing I think I should fix is that when I do this new token thing, hello dude. Oh, and we got the Rust analyzer. I think we should sync these two as well. So every time we emit a new token, we need to actually sync these. So we should self cursor equals self dot peak cursor. Every time. This needs to be mute. This should still work. Okay, so it does not because because I'm an idiot. That's why when I do this in here, cool. So this will fix. Oh, this is cool. Now it's formatted. I think it's a bit small. Let's make this go away. So we can actually handle all these symbols. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. So we can handle numbers. This is also cool. We still don't handle strings correctly. We are just emitting a token, but we should actually emit a complete token for a string, which we are not doing. And after strings we can just go to keywords and that's it. And keywords are actually fairly simple. Keywords are actually in this state. We should handle keywords in here, and for strings, let's actually handle strings as well. Yeah. So, oh, we have strings and characters. No, let's put them for another video. It's too long and I will have a hard time uploading it. But let's just compare the amount of the lines of code we wrote. So if you take a look at the source lexer, how much was the original lexer? It was around 900 lines, 1000 lines. This is not complete, but I don't think it would reach this. I don't think. Yes, and these are the same. Okay, so this is for this video. I thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe and do the alert button for notifications. In the next video we will continue the lexer and we will finish the refactoring of the lexer, so this will become simpler and more robust, I hope. And also we should handle the lines and comments. So let's actually write a to-do in here. So let's write some to-dos up here. to-dos. Handle charts, char literals, handle string literals, handle keywords, handle identifiers, line and column. So this is our to do. These two are fairly simple, and keywords and identifiers are also simple. They just we just check this. Basically, we just get a string, we just pass it to this function, and we take a token type. That's it. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and until the next video, goodbye.